Hey there, everybody. Happy National Great American Pot Pie Day. Yeah, apparently that's a thing. Well, given that, I think today I'm going to make you some delicious vegan sausage and mushroom pizza pot pie. Now we can. What? I didn't make that a few months ago. Hold on a minute. Let me check through my old videos. Let's see. Hummingbird, special cheesecake, omelet. Well, see, what happened there was that wasn't a vegan sausage pizza pot pie. See, that was a regular sausage pizza pot pie. Well, sausage and mushroom pizza pot pie. Yeah. Well, okay, you have a point. But I'm still gonna make it for you. I can just zoom through some of the process, I guess. But I'm gonna dedicate this to two people that I've known for a very long time, more than half my life actually. Two people I went to school with, my friend Holly and my friend Joel. Now, Joel I've known since I was about 17. I went to college and high school with him. And Holly, I went to middle school and elementary school with her, so I've known her since I was 8. Wow, I feel kind of old. What do you mean I look at 2? Anyway, let's get started. By now, you should be familiar with our pot pie dough. I like to use a biscuit-style crust for my pot pie. And the usual suspects are in here. We have some flour, some butter, some baking powder, some milk, some egg replacer, as well as some seasoning. What? Can you use tofu instead of egg replacer? Yeah, you can. I just like the texture better of egg replacer when I'm making dough. Well, but if you do use tofu, what you want to do is puree it first, because let's say you're not using an electric mixer. It's gonna be kind of wonky if it's not pureed first. And wait, is wonky is really a word? Although I do hear a lot of people use it, so maybe it is a word. Anyway, we can now just, what? How much tofu do you use? Well, let's see. If you're using tofu in this dough, I would say use about, a quarter cup plus 2 tablespoons. Now, let's build what? Okay, 6 tablespoons of pureed tofu. Don't be surprised by all the mathematics. I mean, baking is a science. Anyway, let's build this bad boy. Bottom crust, olive oil, tomato sauce, mozzarella, sausage and mushrooms, more mozzarella, and remember, on the regular pizza, more mozzarella is optional, but on the pizza pot pie, it's mandatory. And as you can also see, I sprinkled some parsley on top. And finally, the top crust. And 15 minutes in our handy dandy 350 degree oven will result in... What? What did you do to the top crust? Oh, I cut the top with a serrated knife. Ah! You're hoping I'll use the word score so you can use that old... Okay, I did eventually say it. In the middle of the screen, really? Anyway, I was trying to avoid using the word score so y'all wouldn't keep using that old joke about... Yeah, that joke right there. When are y'all gonna retire that joke? Anyway, 15 minutes in our handy dandy 350 degree oven will result in this deliciousness. Of course, when it comes out of the oven, it won't be on a serving plate. Anyway, let's get to eating. Come back. Me and those big bites again. And, sorry you had to see a little bit of what was in my mouth just there. But, this is very delicious, and if you've never had anything like a pizza pot pie, you should follow my recipe, which is right down there. Make it, and I'm sure you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it, and as much as I'm sure Joel and Holly will enjoy it as well. That is going to do it. And of course, you know by now where to find the recipe. Wait, I just said that. Anyway, thanks for being with me. I'll see you again soon. And remember to have a great national, great America. I'm not saying all that again. Happy Thursday.